Welcome to Load Manager TMS tutorial. Do you have different brand profiles and logos that you do business under? Today Cassandra shows you how to activate the multi-company feature, creating profiles with logos for each of your unique brands. Looking for something specific? Use the bookmarks in the description to navigate between sections and check out the article links for more resources.
To create your company profile, click on Settings and choose Company Information. Here your main company profile is shown. Click on Choose File to upload your logo, which will appear on the top of your screen, along with different reports like your load confirmation and customer invoices. If you use multiple companies, you'll want to create the configuration options and activate the multi-company here. Click Activate Bill From and apply to Carrier Rate Con and Dispatch Report. Click Save. The Bill From company should appear. If you do not see it, log out and log back in to refresh your TMS settings. From the Bill From companies, you'll see a list of your different company profiles. To add additional company profiles, click Add Bill From Company. Checkmark Set Default Bill From if you want your main company to be preset on most of your loads as your Bill From company. We recommend this setting if you're not sure. To modify or view a company name, click on the company name to open the company options. You'll see that each company has their own logo, which can be uploaded. A copy of that logo will appear here as a thumbnail for reference purposes only. In the load screen, click on a load to view the Bill From company in action. Scroll down to Bill From and Bill To. Here you can select the Bill From company desired for this load. The Bill From company that is selected for the load will be the company assigned to that load. The company logo will appear on rate confirmations and dispatch reports if you have the same settings as shown in this video. Here's a look at the dispatch report. As you can see, instead of Circle Freight, we have our company Bill From profile, Palm Tree Enterprises, with the palm tree as their logo. Besides showing on reports for a load, every load assigned to the different Bill From companies can be pulled in a sales report. Clicking on the report and sales detail option in your TMS, scroll to Bill From. Here you can choose to select a range or to select only one Bill From company to view a sales report. This provides the details needed for different admin and strategy functions.